We've just received a small little package from Picup Media, the guys who make the GemLight accessories. What is it? I'll tell you now. My name's Andrew Berry and welcome to At the Benches YouTube channel. We have been lovers of the GemLight products, and especially these, GemLight Box and the GemLight Box Pro. It's a fantastic device for getting clear, crisp photographs from your phone or even from a digital camera straight onto your website with no retouching. We loved the GemLight Box, the original. It got better with the inclusion of the Eclipse. What is the Eclipse? It's the black attachment that went inside that enabled us to take photographs against a black background, as well as the white background. And we use that several times a week for producing really good photographs with the lovely black background. But it did have its limitations. Because it was just the turntable and the angled black background, you couldn't hang anything in it. You couldn't lay anything on the turntable and look down through the top because you had that background that was angled in it. So you were limited to what you could take with it. But now the package that we have just had was this. This is the GemLight Box Pro Eclipse. This will enable us to take not only photographs of rings, for instance, but also for earrings that need to be hung and pendants as well. And we can look down through the top and take pictures of items that are flat upon the black background. So let's have a quick look and see what is in the box. The user manual, always handy. And it's got a couple of QR codes here that enables you to download the information and nice step-by-step photographs showing you how to put the Eclipse into place. You have the turntable. This has a protective film over the front of it. There's a little tab by here. You can pull that tab off when you're ready to use it. It has the background. Now, I love this background because the background is a lovely, almost velvet background that will absorb any light. If it was reflective, you may get reflections, but this is a complete matte, light absorbing background that will really give you fantastic results. And then you've got a bag of 4 different hangers that will enable you to hang earrings from, perhaps put some stud earrings from as well. These are purely for the earrings. If you want to hang the necklaces, then the device does come with the aerial turntable as well that you can hang your pendants from. So let's put everything into place and let me show you the sort of photographs that we are able to get with the GemLight Box Pro and the GemLight Box Pro Eclipse. Put the back in first. If you put the turntable in first, you won't be able to put the back into place. The back has 2 little metal dots upon the top here. Those will locate into the 2 magnets towards the back of the piece. Just like that there. So that is nicely secured into place. The turntable again has several magnets around the outside. I'm going to leave the protective film on just for a moment. Pop that into place there. The magnets will just secure that nicely into place. And basically, that is all that needs doing to it. We can put that into place. And now, on the latest edition of the app, when you select camera, you can select your GemLight Box Pro, and then you have Eclipse filter just underneath the heading. You can turn that on, you can turn that off. So I will basically turn that on, have my stand, I can put my camera into the stand, and I've just got a ring that I'm just going to put into place. Again, the turntable has that little dot right in the middle, so you know exactly where to position the rings. And if you want to make sure, you can always look down on top, just to ensure that that ring is nice and central. Perfect. Put our phone into place. Get right in the center, tap to focus. Simply take a photograph of this. Great. We can zoom in. Let's save that. We can zoom into it. Position that there. That's looking fabulous. Take a lovely photograph of that. Or the best part about the GemLight Box Pro is the video. Click on the video icon here and we have the video. We can adjust it so the turntable turns literally 45 degrees. It can turn 90 degrees and it can turn 360 degrees. And you can also program it so it spins, it turns slowly or fast as well. Now the best thing about this, if it turns the 360 degrees, not only does the app capture that video, but at every 90 degrees it will give you a still image. Let me just show you. So we've got that video there. We've got that. Let's come out a little bit there. We'll tap to focus and the ring turns. Quite fast, as you can see, because I have it on the fast setting. As you can see, we've got that lovely 360 degree turn. Comes round, starts to save it. And now upon the bottom here, we have the video. Okay, as you can see, the first picture is the front image. Second picture at 90 degrees. The third image, an image taken at 180 degrees. And the fourth image is going to be at 270 degrees. So there we go. Okay, and we can save that. You can assign a skew. You can do so much with the app. There's so much to do with it. We can add a skew if you wanted to, or we can save without a skew. Okay, so that's the ring. Pendant. Let's grab a pendant. This is the device that will locate onto the aerial turntable, and we can now suspend the pendant from this. Now you could not do this before with the original, so this is a fantastic feature that they've incorporated. Just position that right onto the aerial turntable. There we go. And now, as you can see, there's the aerial turntable in position. There's our pendant. Just going to turn that around a little bit, just so we get a bit more of an angle look upon that. On goes the front. In goes the stand. It is swinging a bit because I've knocked it. So there's the pendant. We can make this a little bit more upright. It's quite a large pendant, so what we can do is just zoom out on that a little bit. As you can see, looking absolutely fabulous. Again, we can take a simple photograph, or what we can do is the video. As you can see, we've got that gorgeous matte black background that is showing no signs of reflections or shadows or anything like that. Really does spotlight the piece you've got there. And with these hangers, you can hang drop earrings, you can add stud earrings if need be onto it, and they would fasten upon the little aerial carrier that I just showed you now. And again, we've got a nice front view, side view, back view, three-quarter view, and obviously back round to the front, and the video. As you can see, I've got the little watermark, a little logo upon these as well, which is another feature of the app. As you can see, those images now are ready to go upon the website. No playing around with white adjustments, black adjustments, anything like that. There's loads of features built into the app that enables you to remove little dust spots and so forth that you may have seen on that turntable, because I haven't removed the cover just yet. But as you can see, absolutely brilliant. We can upload that to our website, nothing else to do to the images, and I think the Eclipse for the GemLight Box Pro is going to be used even more so now, because we can do pendants, we can lay items down from the top as well and have a lovely layout upon the black turntable. There we go. So that's a very quick review of the GemLight Box Pro Eclipse that we've just received in the post. So excited to get on with this now. Don't forget, please do subscribe if you would like, and please bang, smash, tap the little bell icon at the end there, just to be notified when films go live on our YouTube channel. Don't forget, please give this film a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget, please do share it with your friends. But in the meantime, my name's Andrew Berry for At The Benches YouTube channel. Take care, see you next time. Bye-bye.